Hello everyone. Today we will see Koppen climatic classification system. This theory was initially given in 1918, the revised one given in 1918 by Wladimir Koppen. He was at the same time a climatologist as well as a botanist. Because he was a botanist, he observed the major vegetation groups and the boundaries. He saw there are different types of vegetation groups in different landmass and they have a boundary. All those vegetation groups has a boundary. What could be the reason? The reason he found is the average annual temperature and annual precipitation. Temperature and precipitation. Temperature and precipitation. So observing this, making study on this temperature and precipitation, he divided the world climate into 5 major groups plus one, another one 6 1. 5 major A to E and highland H, which was added later. So what are the 5 major groups? All are in uppercase. 5 major groups. Capital A, B, C, D, E. Capital A, B, C, D, E and H. Capital A, B, C, D, E and H. These are the 5 major groups he categorized. Capital A, B, C, D, E and H. Capital A, B, C, D, E and H. Further, he divided 2 types of subgroups. One 4 subgroup, another one 6 subgroups. He divided the 4 subgroup based on the precipitation and 6 subgroups based on the temperature. Average temperature based on the annual precipitation. 4 subgroup based on precipitation, 6 subgroups based on temperature. What are based on precipitation? FWSM. FWSM. 4 subgroup. FWSM. What are the 6 subgroup based on temperature? ABCD HK. ABCD HK. ABCD HK. We will see what are these major groups. See, you can see the major groups tropical ABCD, E and H. These are the 5 major groups plus 1. 5 major groups plus 1. Plus 1. One is the highland. First one is tropical. I have done the diagram here. First one is tropical. A. Tropical. Between 0 to 23.5 degree north and 23.5 degree south. This is A. Tropical rainy. Tropic region. Second one is B. The dry region. I am talking about dry. Dry means where evaporation is more, precipitation is less. वर्षा बारिश कम होता है, evaporation ज़्यादा होता है. Tropical rainy. A is called the tropical rainy where temperature is always greater than 18. Here precipitation is more than evaporation. Precipitation is more in the tropical region than evaporation. Second one is B. Dry where evaporation is more than precipitation. That is why it is a dry region. Second one is mild humid. Mild humid. Temperature between 3 and 18. Temperature between 3 and 18. Mild humid. D is the snowy forest. Temperature between 3 and 10. Because snowfall is there, temperature would be between 3 and 10. E is the polar region and H is the highland. You can see I have drawn a diagram here. A, this one is the tropical region. B, here you can find the deserts of the world, subtropical, or you can say the dry region. C is the mild humid. Mild humid. Mild humid. C. And the D is the snowy forest. Where can you find the snowy forest? Snowfall means high altitude. And the last one is the E. E is the polar highland. Polar region. And H for the highlands. It can be any upland, you can say, highland, you can say. Okay. Acha. What I have written, what is mentioned here? In the A region, tropical rainy forest, what type of trees you would find? You would find all the rainforest trees. All the rainforest trees, big trees, huge trees. So megatherm. On the dry region like B, where evaporation is more and precipitation is less, you will find xerophyte. Xerophyte means deserted plants. Those plants which grow in a desert. Okay, extreme condition they can survive. Desert or dry region. Then in the sea, like mild humid, you can see mesotherm. Mesotherms are the deciduous forests. Okay, the deciduous means which shed their leaves, deciduous forest. For the D, snowy forest, you can get microtherms. Microtherm means coniferous, because snowfall is there. The shape of the tree is like cone and the leaves are also like cone. In the hecistotherm, in the polar region, you will find alpine trees. So these are the major groups, 5 plus 1 major groups. I told you highlands are cold due to elevation. The more elevated you will go, the more temperature will be less. Polar temperature is always less than 10. Okay, these are the 5 plus 1 major groups: tropical rainy, dry, mild humid, snowy, polar, highland. Tropical rainy, dry, mild humid, snowy, polar, highland. I think you can explain about this giving example. The diagram is already here of the globe. Subgroups, 4 subgroups based on precipitation, means the amount of rain. First one you can see there is F, W, S, M. F for moist, and there is no dry season. F is moist and there is no dry season. That means it rains always, almost. It rains almost always. So F is moist and no dry. The next one you will see W. W is the winter, dry. Dry season in only winter. What do you guess? Because there is winter season, that means the sun, the duration of sun, the angle of the solar rays are very high. Okay, more angle of the sun ray, and the sun stays for less time. The duration of the day is very less. That is why winter dry. Next, summer dry. Summer means the sun is very high. The sun is very high and there is not much frequent rain. No more rain in such region. So it is summer dry. AM is for the rainforest. I said rainforest. Okay, where dry season is also there in the rainforest, but for a very short time. Most of the time monsoon follows, it rains, heavy rain. This is the rainforest. FWS. F for no dry, moist. W for winter dry. All are these in lowercase. S for summer dry. M for rainforest. So moist, winter dry, summer dry, rainforest. Moist, winter dry, summer dry, rainforest. This is the 4 subgroup based on precipitation: moist, winter dry, summer dry, rainforest. Next subgroups based on temperature. Based on temperature, it is A, B, C, D, H, K. A, B, C, D, H, K. Subgroups so in lowercase. A, B, C, D, H, K. A, B, C, D, H, K. Hot summer, warm summer, cool summer, cold winter. Hot summer, warm summer, cool summer, cold winter. Hot summer means temperature always greater than 22 degree. Warm summer, temperature is less than 22, but average temperature is 22. Cool summer, summer season is there, but the average temperature of the whole year is greater than 10 degree. Cold winter. Cold winter means extreme temperature. Cold, where the temperature is minus 38 degree average temperature. And then the dry hot and dry cold. H for hot, K for cold and cold. Okay, so hot summer, warm summer, cool summer, cold winter, dry hot, dry cold. Hot H, cold C. A, B, C, D, H, K. A, B, C, D. Hot summer, warm summer, cool summer, cold winter. H, K. Dry hot, dry cold. These are the subgroups. Now we will see the relation between these subgroups. So this explanation, this PDF I have collected from the NCERT. Based on NCERT, I have this PDF direct from the NCERT. You see, because I am following the NCERT nowadays, so all this explanation is only up for the exam perspectives, competitive exam perspectives. But those who are having their MSc or BSc in geography, this may vary. these things may vary. There in the NCERT it is limited weather climate is given. This is a limited. There these are the limited climate. But if you go to those who are having a bachelor degree or subject specific, you could get so many so many terms. We have only limited terms here, like limited terms here only F, W, S, M and A, B, C, D, H, K. But there are other terms are also there, N, S, so many are there. R is also there, rain pattern. Okay, so I am just focusing on the studies, exam perspective. This thing I have collected from the NCERT. Now see, tropical humid. Tropical humid, A, dry climate, B, warm or mild latitude, mild climate mild climate it is C, and you have your cold forest D, then polar cold climate E, and highland H. Now see, for A we have three subgroups with A. What are they? AF, AM, AW. AF, AM, AW. AF, AM, AW. See, tropical rain means it is situated here. Tropical rainforest. AF, tropical rainforest. See, AF, tropical rainforest with no dry season or moist. Are you clear? AF. Then AF, AW, tropical AW, tropical rainforest with a winter dry season. AW, tropical rainforest with winter AW, with winter dry season. Another one AS, tropical rain with summer dry. We have three climate based on A. AF, AM, AW. For B we have BS, BW, BS, BW. What is BS? Talking about BW, not mentioned. The BW is arid. BS is semi-arid. Okay. BS H. H for what? H, what we had seen? You see BSBW, 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 BSBW. So BW for arid, BS for semi-arid. What is H and what is K? See, H for dry hot, K for cold hot. That means, come back. The reason where arid means it is dry, totally dry, arid, sukha, totally dry, and H means hot dry, means it is totally summer, warm. Okay, low latitude, arid and dry. Low latitude, you can see low latitude means more than 0, between 0 and 23. It is low latitude. BW is arid, H for dry, hot. BW, K, BW means arid, means dry, K for cold, mid latitude, but dry, but it is a cold dry, cold. Where you see there is no rain, it is totally cold, and there is dryness. Ladakh is what? Okay. Similarly, BSH, BS for semi-arid dry, and H for hot, cold, semi-arid. Some rain is there, or water availability is there, semi-arid, and H for warm, hot, dry, hot. BSK, semi-arid, K for cold, dry, cold. Acha. This dry, hot is called steppe forest. This dry, cold is also called steppe forest. But if it is semi-arid, subtropical region, you will find this semi-arid, subtropical steppe, and in the if it is arid totally, you will find subtropical desert. Okay, Thar desert. We will see later. Later what? Let us see now. See this region. This region. There is a line. This is called 25 iso height. In Rajasthan, you will see iso height. Means here there will be no rain. This side there will be rain. You see what is here? BW means totally arid. BS means semi-arid. Some sort of rain is there. Okay, this is called Mewar. This region is called Marwar. So with B we have PSH and BS and BW. H and K are there. Cold dry or hot dry. Then come to C. C is the mild warm. C is the mild warm. We have CFA, CS, CFB. CFA, CFB and CS. CFA. What does F stands for? You see, F stands for moist and no dry season is there. A stands for hot summer, B stands for warm summer. Let us see what we have. CFA. C for mild warm, not very warm. F for moist, no dry season is there. That means it is less, not very warm, mild warm. F for moist, moist and there is no dry season, means whole year it rains. Temperature is not very high, it rains for the whole year. And A for subgroup hot summer. The whole it is very, summer is very hot. So F, C mild warm. F is for no dry season is there. F, that means no dry season. F, warm summer. A, and the overall average climate of the region is C, mild temperature. Okay, humid tropical region. Yes, humid is there. F is there. Second one, CFB. C for mild, the average temperature is mild. F for there is warm and no dry season. C, no dry season, F, and it is warm. B for warm summer, warm and cool summer. But B for warm summer means the summer is not very warm. Temperature does not go beyond 20 to 33. Doesn't go beyond 20-30 degree. Not even 30 degree. 20 degree is the maximum. 20 to 30 in between. This is the warm or cool summer. C for mild, overall temperature is mild. F for no dry season, moisture, humidity is there. And B for warm summer. This is more temperature, this is a bit less temperature. And CAS, A stands for what? C, summer dry. The summer there will be no rain. CS, summer there will be no rain. Summer there will be no rain. That means dry and hot summer. CS. See next one, the cold snow forest. D for cold snow. Where it is dry and hot summer, you will see in the Mediterranean Sea. This is one of the important question. Already there were many questions in the state PCS. Mediterranean has been there, I know. And another one, that is tropical wet and dry. Question of MCQs. Based on this was there in the OPSC. Based on this was there also. Mediterranean, it is C, dry hot summer. In the summer there will be no rain, dry hot. Next comes for cold forest. So cold forest, DF. D for cold forest. F for what? F for humid and no dry. So no dry season is there. Humid means what? moisture is there, rain is there in the form of severe winter. Severe winter. Winter is not dry. Okay, but no dry winter is not dry, and severe winter, there might be some sort of rain in the winter. Humid continental, middle of the continent, not in the coastal area. You can see DF, no dry season and severe winter. Then DW, W stands for what? Subgroup C, winter dry. The winter is dry, you will find no rain in the winter. See, DW, D for snow forest or cold forest. So DW is the type, what type? Subarctic climate. What happens? D for cold forest or snow in the forest. Cold means snow in the forest. And W stands for winter dry. In winter season you will find no rain, you will find no snowfall. Winter is very dry. It's not about just cold. Winter is winter is dry, means no rain, no snowfall, no precipitation, and very severe. Okay, chalo. Next one, E for the polar, pole. In the pole you will find two types. So one is tundra, ET. Acha, this T, this T means that the average annual temperature. Average annual temperature. ET, tundra. So E for cold and ET, average annual temperature is less, very less. That is why there is no true summer. You can't find any true summer. Summer season is not there. EF, F stands for permafrost. E, cold climate and permafrost. That means you will find perennial ice for longer time. The whatever the ice, it's since very old, means ice over ice, permafrost, polar ice cap. This is EF. Here T is the average annual temperature. Then H stands for highland, and as you know, highland with elevation you will see the less in temperature. This is called the highland with snow cover, such as you can see all the hill stations we can consider them in the highland, H. So these are the things. Then we will see about Indian Koppen classification. You see, what is this? C stands for mild humid. You see, mild humid. W stands for dry in winter. Yes, CWG. G stands for the Ganga type. Ganga type means when the summer will lead to rain. This is called Ganga type. Because of the summer there will be rain. The hottest month, if there is more warm, you will see more summer and rain. This is the Ganga type. अगर ज़्यादा गर्मी होता है तो समर भी बड़ा होगा, उसके हिसाब से रेन भी ज़्यादा होगा. गंगा टाइप, CWG. Then DFC. D stands for cold forest. F stands for moist, no dry, without any dry. So cold forest without any dry, that means it is moist every time, raining every time. And C stands for short summer, cool summer, which one we say summer is cool. You can say cold humid winter. It's less is less. Cold humid winter with short summer or cool summer. Northeastern region. This is AW, tropical savanna. Then you have AS, monsoon with dry summer. Tamil Nadu coast, you know, summer is dry, it rains in winter, so AS. Then this is tundra, polar type. This one arid, semi-arid. AMW. A stands for tropical. Monsoon enters through this way, na? Kerala coast. So A for tropical rain. M stands for rainforest climate. W stands for winter dry. Winter is dry, means in winter you will find no rain, which we say retreating monsoon. In winter you can get monsoon at this place, you can see the rain due to western disturbance. At this place you can also see the rain due to retreating rain. But this one is totally dry in winter. W is dry in winter, M is rainforest, and A is tropic. So tropical rainforest, AM. This one also important. So I hope this one is over. This is all about Koppen's climatic division. Thank you.